Yo, 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 what's up, guys? We got about 4 minutes before the market opens here. Take a look at the overnight session. We bounced off of point of control from yesterday pretty well. I'd like to see what happens there. VWAP is pretty darn it's above it. So I'm interested to see if we fail or bounce off VWAP. Um yeah, so it looks like if we take a look at the range chart here. Let's see. Look at the range chart here. We had a near perfect rejection right here. And this was Tuesday's value area high. Just perfect rejection and sold off. We're in a bit of a chop zone again, which I don't like. Yesterday we were in a chop zone, a little difficult to trade, but we still made it work. But instant rejection off there, so we're range bound between these two values here for now. So yeah, I mean, sideways action, like I said, makes sense. I've been calling for, this to either consolidate or pull back, which we're about to test point of control here. So we'll see what happens, but I think we'll probably come down to tag this again. Probably won't be trading too much today. I think I might try to just keep it light. Yesterday I did end up trading some more. Made about 17 total trades, which I'm not really proud of, but still made the day with like 2100. So pretty happy with the profit, but at the same time not happy with the way things worked out in terms of taking too many trades. You don't want to be someone with a bad habit of taking too many trades. But we're going to keep it light today. Looks like we initially bounced off VWAP here. Yeah, just be patient again and hope for the best. Is that correct? Did we just have a crossover? We did. So we just had a 9 and 21 crossover here, but we've been having them, so this signals to me chop zone. I'd like to see this go more parabolic. But yeah, let's say the creed, and then market's gonna open here really soon. Remember, this is a life-changing opportunity. Do not treat it like something that can be discarded due to your ego, pride, and emotions. Success is dependent on your ability to stick to your rules. Therefore, always be aware of the responsibility you bear in keeping yourself accountable. All right, guys. Market's going to open here in 30 seconds. Wish you guys the best of luck today. And again, I think I'm going to sit out the first 5 minutes. It just hasn't been good for me in terms of seeing where the market's going. There's too many whipsaws, so I'm going to wait the first 5 minutes before I do any trades. But yeah, hope you guys have a profitable day. And here we go. Look at the range chart. So we just hit VWAP, we just failed off of it. Let's come back, retest. And we're in a chop zone again, so I'm not too keen on taking any trades here. So here's the point of control. See what happens here. We bounce it, see if we get some buyers coming in. Delta's looking a little heavy. See what happens here. VWAP again. I'm not sure if they're gonna say that this is close enough to take out this naked point of control. Nope, come back now. And a lot of chop, lots of chop right now. 5-minute candle is down so far, so, and well, Delta here is starting to come back, but but still pretty heavy. All right, here we go. Test point of control, losing it, or are we gonna bounce? Looks like we are trying to bounce. It's not good though. We're pretty far below it. Yep. I think we got some sellers in. And we lost point of control from yesterday. Value area low is all the way down there. It's kind of scary. See what happens here. Very apparent downtrend formed. I think it's probably more like that. Good bounce. Still a bit nervous. About 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Looks like we found footing here. Still not looking great. You know, Delta's still really heavy. Let's see if we make a lower low with a higher delta. See, like Delta's starting to come back. We almost made the same low. Delta's still up here, so we got some buyers down here. Let's see those. This 5-minute candle does not look very convincing to me. Like, look at that, straight down. Straight down 23 points. All right, and then again, we're in a little chop zone. Delta's looking like it's doing a lot better. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to close though. See what the next candle looks like. Yeah, it's really choppy. Delta's starting to look a lot better though. Again, I want to get in here, but below yesterday's point of control. Delta's starting to look good. We're still in the 10-go downtrend. I'd like to see what the next 5-minute candle looks like. "30 seconds left on this candle." Looks like we're starting to bounce off of it. You guys got to remember, you know, these lines, they aren't like hard. You know, this is where price is gonna react. Sometimes it happens that way. Sometimes it doesn't. We have a node here where there's a nice distribution of buyers and sellers. So, see, coming back down. This 5-minute candle opened up. Looks like it's trying to flip. ES is not following though. ES made a lower low. Just something to take note. ES here made a lower low. Nasdaq did not follow. So who's right and who's wrong? This is kind of a big, it's a bit of a ramp. And now here comes the Nasdaq rejecting off of that point of control here. Made a lower low. Looks like we got to look for shorts today. And if you shorted it right in the open, it's a good short. Look, we have a crossover to the downside of the 5 and 21 SMAs. So yeah, I'm going to be looking for shorts. Looking to short this and hopefully get some money. I'm going to come back up. Maybe a test point of control again. I just don't it's just Delta's not doing it for me. Like, yeah, we're having these lower lows, but like doing the same thing I did yesterday. Been interested in going long, but I want to wait till this downtrend breaks. Still made lower lows, lower highs. There's the break of that downtrend. We're going to reject off of yesterday. So this is also today's point of control now. It's a bit interesting here. I think we're rejecting. Just gonna wait. I'm just gonna try to be patient. Delta's looking good. I think I might go long here, but everything's screaming at me don't. It's just, look at this Delta though, guys. It's just very conflicting data. And we very well might start reversing this too. It looks like a little consolidation. And again, it's a chop zone. We'll just be patient. We're back below the downtrend again. Valley area low. Like Delta's got some nice buyers, but just keeps on getting suppressed. So it might be a little different than yesterday. You know, yesterday we were making lower highs and Delta wasn't, but today we're making lower lows. I'm just gonna try to be patient here. Looks like we have some buyers around here. Might be a good spot to go long, but gosh, it's just so risky. Still respecting a downtrend, so Delta's looking really good here. I'm gonna go long. I'd like to see what happens here at point control from yesterday. So point control flipped up there. So it was down here and flipped up here. Our valley area high now. It's a nice candle. It's a really nice 1 minute candle. Checking off valley area high. You might sell this. Delta looks really good. Point of control is just. Alright, let's see what happens at VWAP. Oof. Doesn't look good there. Alright, I'm going short here. Maybe I should have waited. Thing is, my stop is like right below VWAP, which I don't want because it's a good area of resistance and it just might take me out. Yeah, I think we're gonna run it. Rejecting valley area high so far. Yep. Ouch. So there's 300. Should have just followed Delta. Should have followed Delta. It's unfortunate. VWAP test. Yeah, should have been more patient on this trade. Did exactly what I was scared of. Stop was too close. So we're going back up to the. So now we're at the highs of the day. Really nice reversal. I probably should have went long, but you know, hindsight's 2020. And now we just watch it rip. Wow. It's just that I don't want to get in here because it can definitely just come down just as fast. Go up just as fast, come down just as fast. Wait for it to come to an area of support. Maybe get in there. Yeah, we're just omega ripping. Just gonna watch. It's a huge 5-minute candle. Like straight up. I'm just gonna watch for now. So we're coming back down, but make sure to take along maybe a VWAP. It's got a lot of support here. Moving averages and everything. See if we come down there though. Might not happen on this candle, maybe the next candle. We'll see. Yeah, dang it. Watching that delta too. I was like, but it was making lower lows. Which, I mean, that's fine. Price was making lower lows. Delta was not. Really nice divergence there. Probably should have just picked up on it. And again, we broke that downtrend that I was talking about. Broke this downtrend and I still went short. Gosh. Yeah, shouldn't have done that. Yeah, looks like we want to look for longs. See if we come back down to VWAP. So VWAP's also looking like a good area to buy in. Just watching what happens. Just flagging right now. And we just made a higher high. I think we're going up to run it. Run the top. Unless that was a double top. All right. Yeah. I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. I'm just getting taken out so fast and don't feel like I'm reading the markets right today. Here's that VWAP test. Yeah. Just not reading it right today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there. I think we've been making some good profit lately, and I don't want to give more of that back. Wow. Just like I said, omega rips, omega dips. Look at that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there and just be done for the day. But if you guys are continuing to trade, hopefully you guys have a profitable day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.